Team, today we're going to cover super shapes in Maya. Are you ready? Super shapes are found under polygon primitives, so create polygon primitive and go ahead and go past all of the ones that you're used to looking at and you will find super shapes. These two, super ellipse and spherical harmonics, are actually all inside this ultra shape. So go ahead and choose an ultra shape, which looks just like a normal sphere, but it isn't. Move that up just a little bit, and I'm going to go to the attribute editor and choose the third tab over called the Poly Super Shape 1. And now we get a whole bunch of attributes that we can play with. Under shape, you'll see there's ultra, what we chose, and then there's also ellipse or harmonics, which you can choose as well from here. And if you chose them, you would be able to, you can scroll down and see that there's super ellipse and spherical harmonics pull downs right here, little menus that open. But I'm going to go back to ultra just to mess with us a little bit. So I'm going to go to helix, turn off merge vertices. I'm going to adjust this. So we've got horizontal revolutions, makes sense, and then vertical revolutions. All right, and then you have these offsets, X, Z, and vertical, otherwise known as Y. So if I mess with this, now all of a sudden, you start to be able to adjust this and get a helix type of pattern. Cool, huh? Internal radius, and you can continue to adjust these as much as you want. So I'm bringing up my horizontal revolution there, and it can just keep going up. Little noodles. Easy springs. Then you could take that and extrude it or whatever you wanted. All right, well, there's more. Let me close that up and look down here under Ultra. You get a horizontal and vertical adjustment, and at first, they look kind of odd. Multiplier 1, multiplier 2. What that is adding is little divisions there. I'm going to turn off selection highlighting just for a second so you can see it without the green. So you can get ridges upon that. And then the exponent 1 and 2 underneath it, that starts to smooth it out. Think about it like it's a B-spline and you're smoothing out the top of the point and the inner part of the point. And so you can adjust those. And then same thing with multiplier 2, and again this is on the horizontal. And this mixer goes between the two noises basically that you're adding. So you can add those to it. Let's go to vertical and do the same thing. I'll add in a vertical line, just one. Okay, 1.429 to be precise. And then you can smooth it out, etc. Lots of interesting things that you can do with that. Once you're done, remember to be a good modeler and do edit, delete by type history. There we go. Super shapes. Have fun with them.